spicy with a small fry.
It's going.
Hey guys, today we're gonna do a mukbang. Not really, we just got our orders from McDonald's.
Subscribe, super.
You know, that Billings is getting a Chick-fil-A.
Are you serious?
Stop it.
They're on your feet.
Stop.
I'm excited. I love Chick-fil-A.
I'll be here every weekend.
Yeah,
I'll
I'll be driving every weekend.
Hey, Miss Girl.
Except I'm going to college.
You are going to Billings?
No, I said yes.
Oh. Or Cheyenne.
Next you're going to Laramie. I think.
That's close to Cheyenne.
But are you serious?
Let's drop my fries.
You know what's also good? Panera Bread.
I've never had it.
Do they have that
I-
at Billings? I love Cafe Rio. If I could eat any fast food for the rest of my life, it would be Cafe Rio.
What do you get?
I get sweet sweet pork taco or sweet pork tostada.
Good stuff.
You know what? I could see dating on.
What?
Um,
best.
no. What's that detective's name? Sherlock Holmes.
Oh yeah.
It's like
One
of
of
hats
those.
on her and like a little
Pipe.
pipe on in her mouth.
Detective Daisy.
Tobacco edition. Chewing so aggressively.
I'm trying to go quick.
Fetch. She found it.
Daisy, you want to give the camera a little ASMR?
The best quality chicken I've like ever had in my life though is definitely Chick-fil-A's.
Yeah.
Like we had it the other day because we were in like Torrington or whatever. And we had to go through Cheyenne's. We stopped and got it. It's like the best chicken I've ever. Like it was juicy and like it was good.
You should get like a normal chicken sandwich. Or do you
Yeah,
get the
because we
little-
had to get like a platter thingy.
Oh yeah.
And that's all they like had, I guess. Like, or that's just easier.
Have you ever seen Austin Alley? There's a part where he's like, Austin's trying to flirt with someone, and there's a straw. And he's like watching the girl, he's like, trying to find it, and it keeps on moving around. I remember that every day.
Yesterday, me and my sister were home, and I got her to start watching We Love Charlie, and she loves it. And I love you.
She reminds me of Charlie.
I can see that.
Blonde hair. Yeah.
That's the only quality. You remind me of Charlie. Blonde hair. Makes sense. They should have a Charlie's.
How old is she now? She's like
Like,
like she. It's
10
weird
or
how close
12.
she is to our age, though. You know.
I think that they should do a show where it's Charlie's life and how the videos affected or like helped her get through
Oh, that'd
stuff.
be cool.
Because then you'd know it really worked. The thing though that it brought up is that
That's
it was like the first show that made it acceptable to go back to your ex that cheated on you. On the left of the sink.
and
Oh, I have a trash right here. The dog. Oh, right behind the seat. For people to puke in. If they get sick, you know?
And I can't just go through the...
Good ASMR, you know?
For a 4-piece, they gave me a lot of sauce.
Yeah, I got one. For a 6-piece too.
I've always thought about hyphenating my name
To what?
When you get married.
to keep my
Hyphenating?
marrying
like having
actual-
both.
Williamson.
Williamson. Do you not have a
Future
crush?
self. If I have
Do you have a
a
crush?
person that I marry that has Williamson, that's cool.
There you go.
That
Do you
I
have a
just
crush?
guessed it. No boys attract me right now anymore. This town. This town.
Do you?
Do I what?
Crush?
No.
Yeah,
You do?
Yeah, you do.
No. No. It is obsessive. I can't. I tried a little bit to like see if I would get attracted to him, but I couldn't.
Get attracted.
Yeah, there's been guys that I'm like really good friends with, but I just can't like see them past that. Like they're all just dummies. Straight out, you know?
Yeah.
What about you, Carly?
Yeah, Carly.
There's some people pining for you and your love.
Disgusting.
Yeah, so let's hear what happened to that boy. Oh, I was gonna say from the start and then till now.
Oh, what boy?
Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he was literally so obsessed with her.
I don't know.
You just ghosted her?
As long as you don't, it's okay.
No, I just was like,
Huh?
is he like,
Oh.
He attacked me.
Sorry for that. I just wanted to know.
No, I thought you knew that already, but I guess you didn't.
But back to you. But
So
what
weird.
about the what's new with them?
I Snapchat. He called me out and I knew it was about me, and so I was like, oh. It's Snapchat, it doesn't matter, like,
Yikes.
I
Oh,
don't know
no.
who you like. I don't know who you like.
I can't say it.
Wait, Kelly,
Come
do
on.
you actually
It's a
love
safe
someone?
space.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
What's that face for then?
I feel like
Then
I
why
should
you're like, I
know
can't
this.
He's just
say.
like way older than me.
I want you to be together. Is that weird? Because
No,
you
I
guys
feel
are
like you
like
guys are like best friends.
Yeah, we're like really close, but not
it
like
could
that.
turn into something. How old are you?
17. He's not
5
22
years.
till July.
4
So that's like
years.
four,
That's like a
like a
freshman
little
and
over
senior.
4 years. Which like my parents are 8 years apart, so.
Yeah, my parents are 8.
My parents are 4. Just
I feel
right.
like
Yeah, so quick to be married.
Just you're in high
My
school
dad.
still. But that once you're out, then it's fine. I just no, I'm not saying anyway.
What's that
You're
about?
almost 18.
Yeah, in like 9
Does he
months.
like you?
And never mind.
I don't know.
No, that's
I
tough.
think so.
Yeah.
But then once you know they like you, then you kind of stop liking them. It happens. Sometimes, unless you
Yeah.
actually. Whenever, you know, when we were like 8th graders, we would sit on the top in that little area.
Yeah.
We would like, Peyton would always be like looking at you, or like he's looking at you, and I would look over and he literally was just staring me down. Nothing actually happened, but it was just like weird that this high
That is
schooler was
weird.
just watching me.
This is like a good conversation. I wish we could
Like,
hang out.
yeah.
But he like kind of liked me and all this stuff, and then I asked him about it. He's like, oh, I'm not really looking for you. And then he stops Snapchat.
Oh,
But he
what
said he
the-
liked her, but then he says that he like wasn't looking for a relationship.
That's
And then he just stopped
stupid.
Snapchatting me, and I was like, okay.
That
doesn't
one
make any
guy,
sense.
that one guy that I had to get over, obviously, literally like erasing from my mind. Like I'm forgetting everything. Like, I don't even think of him ever anymore.
That's good.
Like and subscribe. Peace.